All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Sunday evening. God bless everyone in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray you and your families are super blessed. As the Bitcoin price, guys, is this the real breakout? We're still in the dang long trade that we've been in since Friday, the 26th, the 27th of March, guys. And we're back to the top of the range right now. This is a huge make it or break it moment for the Bitcoin price, guys. Not only are we coming up to the CDW of the range, but we also are potentially now breaking out of this. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. It's driving me crazy. Oh, baby. I can't believe what my eyes are seeing. Do you guys see this? All right. This is crazy. Now, here's the deal. We got to be cautious. We got to be careful. Yes, we have $500,000 on the trade. All right, $578,000 to be precise. All right, let's move the position value over here. And let's move this away so the market makers don't hunt us. Yes, we're up $20,500 plus $7,000 that we've locked in. Yes, it's true. It's true, baby. It's all true. But there's a real potential here that Bitcoin simply gets a fake out of this last high. All right, it's very important, all right, that we pay attention to what happens here. And I have also, guys, full disclosure here, I have also opened up a short position. Okay, hang on one second. I've also opened up a short position right here on BLOFIN. Shouts to BLOFIN. All right. I took a trade, took a loss trying to short the 786. All right. And then I just took another scalp short of the CDW of this high. I've secured a slight TP1 here. All right. I've locked in $900. My stop loss right now will stop me out at basically break even. All right. Essentially break even stop loss right now. So I am right now in a $345,000 short, as well as the long trade that I've been in since Friday. The long trade that I told the community I was taking in the moment. And we're going to see what happens together here, guys, as the Bitcoin price, oh my goodness, is potentially going to get a CDW right here. Let's see what's going to happen. All right. So just so we can all be clear, I'm going to keep both positions on the chart on the screen here so we can see what's going on, baby. All right. I have taken a short trade, but I am hoping for a pump. All right. I have taken a short trade, but I'm hoping for a pump. And the reason why I hope for the pump is because, well, all in all, guys, if this short trade gets stopped out right now, I'm overall at a $700 loss, right? But if this long trade stays open, well, I am up 20,000 US dollars right now. And we got to give a big shout. $21,000. $21,000 right now. All right. And Michael Jackson's here. We have low fees. I told everybody 2 weeks ago I was going to be taking this trade. And of course, I took the trade, guys. And I'm still in it. Let's see what happens. Big shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Crypto City. Shout out to N. He says, go short. Shout out to New Beater. He says, thanks, TP out. How did I decide to take the CDW? Because it was a CDW, man. How many times do I have to say? It's against the law to see a CDW and not take the trade. It's against the law. Now, as we speak, guys, like I said, it's a very key moment. Because this CDW that we are seeing right here, okay, we are back testing the CDW level right now. We are back testing the last support resistance flip right here. We're getting a bounce. This is key. We hold this orange line that I've drawn on the chart. And man, we could see big follow through right now. We are up $21,500. All right, shout out to Flippa Frank. Shout out to Trader Geo. He says, I think we can go to 76 easy, baby. That's what's up, Trader Geo. Big shout out to Trader Geo in the house, baby. And look, a big shout out to everybody. We are here. We are in the garage. We are outside. We are on the treadmill. We have a weighted vest. We have cell phone flashlights, guys, lighting up the stream. Okay? We have A weighted vest, did I already say a weighted vest? Yeah. We're keeping our cardio going, baby. Shout out to Daniel Caprud. You're eating an Easter leg of lamb. That's what's up. I'm glad you're doing that. I thought we said we were going to dump. Who said that? Look, we have been agnostic as agnostic can be here. That CDW didn't tap into any level. It doesn't matter. CDWs don't tap into levels. CDWs, the level for the CDW is right here. All right, CDW is simply this yellow line right here. We took the liquidity of the high. Actually, the real liquidity we took was this high right here. All right. Yeah, here's the thing. The reason why I took a short trade here, I know it's an aggressive entry. I'll explain why I took this short. Okay. I know it's an aggressive entry, but you have to understand. This is the second short I've taken today. The first one was also an aggressive entry. The first one was a loss. All right. This one I got a much juicier entry on, in my opinion. The reason why I took such an aggressive short here, guys, is because this is such a make it or break it level. Look at the chart. Look at what is happening right now. All right. Hang on. I need to just tell you guys, this is so dang important. We have been in this range for a week and a half. I guess a week and 3 days, right? Since Friday, March 27th. So if we actually are going to, if this is a real breakout, this is the key level right here, guys. This is the top of the local sideways range. This is support going back to the 24th of March. Resistance on the 21st of March. Support on the 19th of March. We could take it all the way back here. Support on the 11th of March. All right, we could take this level even back all the way to here. It was our resistance. It was our resistance. It was resistance, like all here. You can see how important this level is, okay? If we're going to get a fake out of this trend line, this Tory Trades trend line, this is the level we fake out from. So I'm aggressively trying to short here. The reason is because, guys, I'm in a $500,000 long. I'm up $20,000. Insane amount of money. I mean, the last thing I want to do right now is risk all that money and not protect myself. Not protect myself. All right? You got to protect yourself before you wreck yourself. You know? You got to protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Protect yourself before you wreck yourself. If you're old enough, you could get dressed yourself. Better protect yourself before you wreck yourself. If you're old enough, you could get dressed yourself. Better protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Yo, I took a long trade, 500K. I longed it from the bottom just the other day. I posted it up in my community. I said, J, about to long A. I took the long, mad profit, 20K. Can you spot it? We long the bottom and then we top it. We go straight up. We never drop it, but once the beat starts to drop, market makers, they come, they say stop. They want to take all the profits that we made. They want to take it away, take our change. Better protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Make sure to hedge yourself. I said, gotta protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Make sure to hedge yourself. Protect yourself before you wreck yourself. You better make sure to hedge yourself. When the price comes to resistance, you think we about to break and go the distance. Market makers, they say twist this. We twist the plot, we hit the spot. The next thing you know, the price starts to drop. It's a Sunday evening, you know what it means. We got mad volatility, my kings. You know my kings, my queens. My people up in the Queens, New York, the Bronx, that's where we stay clean. Cause we shower every single day. Jason gives it to you straight, he never gives it gay. Yeah, so that's why, you know, you got to protect yourself. This is such a key level. I don't know what else to say besides this is such a key level. All right. Major shout out to Dave Digital in the chat. You got a fat short at 78. I'm short, send her down, says somebody. Look, we lose this orange line here and we could come down. As long as we hold this orange line, things are looking fine like a key lime pie. All right. Now shouldn't this be a scalp short? It should. And look, I've taken a profit one, a stop loss at break even. I've locked in 900 bucks, stop loss and $900 loss. All right. It is what it is. I mean, yes, it should be a scalp trade. But here's the thing. Like I said, should I close this now? Yeah, I should if I was purely scalping, but I'm not. The function of this short is honestly to protect my capital on the longs. I'm up 20K. Guys, I have held this long trade. Let me just say this. Guys, have you been following my live streams? If not, make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. I have held this long trade from Friday. I held it into the green. I held it into the red. And of course, this is not my original entry was lower. All right. I got in here. Oh, wait, you guys can't see. Hang on one second. Hang on one second. I've been holding this trade for a long time. All right. I got in here, took a little bit of profit. Got long again here, took a little bit of profit. Added to it here. I've been holding this thing for a long time. All right. And I've been holding it, hoping for a swing trade from this area. So I am scalp shorting this, but really that scalp short is an insurance policy, baby. An insurance policy. Because you guys have seen the trades. You've seen them. I've shown them here. I've shown you the trades. I mean, you guys saw me take the wins. You saw me take the losses. You've seen it all. All right. You guys have seen it all. Very key level. Let's get back to the actual chart. All right, I got a fart. Let's take a look at the actual chart, okay? Let's go over to TradingView, and we will just look at how important of a level this is. First of all, I want to take a look at the range, all right? This is the range that we are in. Before we even talk about the ranges, guys, let's just assess the situation on the weekly chart. All right, we got a new weekly candle. Right here, a fresh baby weekly candle, still crying. Wah, wah. The crying baby candle, 8 pounds, 8 ounces. Born at 8 p.m. New York time, April 5th, 2026. We are in sideways range territory where we are getting the sideways range. We get the fake out and the drop. Where we get the sideways range, where we get the fake out and the drop. Where we get the sideways range, where honestly, guys, we've had the fake out, but no drop. No drop. If we are going to continue in this range here, guys, and this range could, as my man Trader Geo says, come up to 76K. That's the top of the range right now. This right now is the top of the range. If we're going to come back to the top of our sideways range, where are we going to bounce from? We're going to bounce from the Fibonacci Golden Pocket, right? The Fibonacci Golden Pocket confluence with the dang value area low. Look at this. We came down, we tapped the value area low. Let me fix this volume profile a little bit here. We came down, we tapped the value area low, we tapped the Golden Pocket. And would you look at this, guys? Breaking news, as I speak, guys, the Bitcoin price has just had some value area shift. All right. We've had some value area shift on the Bitcoin price, guys. As can be seen here, the POC is now all the way down at 66,855. We are above the high volume node. All right. We could see some significant move. And remember, again, we're breaking out of this. We're breaking out of this. Right? 2-week time frame, market cipher B, confirmed green dot. Weekly time frame, ambiguous. Daily time frame, honestly, look at the daily time frame. Look at the anchor trigger as we hold support. Look at the money flow as we hold support. There is a bullish case to be made here. So, look, I'm being careful. I'm being cautious. And by cautious, I mean I'm hedging. We start to get the fake out. Obviously, I'm going to take profits, man. But this is pretty intense right here. This is pretty dang intense, right? Let's see how high exchanges can take before open. When is the open? Shout out to Trader Geo. He says, moon it, baby. This morning, killed a Spidey. Bitcoin went up wildly. That's what's up. Crypto Lifer calling 60K bottom. I hope he's wrong for the sake of my own plan. Shout out to Alex O. He says, GGS homie. God bless you, Alex O. Das EFX sings that song. Thank you, Klaus, for the super chat. Never heard of it. Shout out to Jordan in the chat. God bless you. Shout out to Maga Max Cherry in the chat. What is going on? Big shout to JXE Nudge. He says, dope rap. Thanks, man. This is a baby move. This is a baby move. Yes, I agree. This is a baby move. But here's the thing, guys. Although it is a baby move, we got to take what the market can give us. And right now the context is we're in a sideways range. We're bound within this range, guys. You know, these are the kind of moves we expect until we lose the range. All right, so let's see what happens here. Because again, if we start to come down below this line, I'm going to put it right here. And also, we need to just be aware. Let's put it as a key level here. We'll make it orange, all right? Because let's not forget what's happening. I mean, we had some crazy tweets from DJT today as well. You know, got some crazy stuff potentially happening in the world this week, which could cause mucho volatility. Yeah, so let's really watch and see what happens. I got to be honest, the daily looks like we could see some upside. The 4-hour money flow just got across, all right, after the bullish divergence. Right down here, we had a nice left butt cheek, a skinny right butt cheek. Butt cheek's getting higher as the price is getting lower, giving us a bullish divergence at key support. And, yeah, man, so here we are. Let's see. We're holding the orange line, the DJT line, baby. All right? We're holding the DJT line. Let's see what happens here. How to get into the free scalping group. Right, guys, the free scalping group opens up tomorrow. All right? The free scalping group opens up tomorrow. In the Discord, I have the scalping channel. All right? The scalping channel right here. Let's show it. It's free to join the scalping channel. All right, all you have to do to join the scalping channel, guys, and get access to where I will live stream scalp is sign up either using ANTARCTIC, BLOFIN, or KCEX. If you sign up using my links, you get exclusive Jason Casper VIP fees. Only using my link can you get fees this low. 0.02% market, 0% limit on ANTARCTIC and BLOFIN. 0% limit, 0.01 market on KCEX. All right, this pump is because of the pump song and nothing else. So yeah, guys, that free scalp group opens up tomorrow. I'm going to be live streaming randomly whenever I feel like it. Whenever the market's giving good scalps, I'm just start going live. So keep notifications on. Make sure to join the group. If you want to join the Casper crew, VIP Discord, where, you know, I do the best that I can do to alert my community when I'm taking a trade. Again, it's not financial advice, but, you know, gave the short trade from 74K, told everyone I've opened up the short, gave the long trade, told everyone, well, this is all new stuff, but really, I mean, these are all trades, like in the moment, we give them in the crew. I've shorted, give my entry, took it a little long from here. I've taken a long from here based on the CDW. We took a juicy long from here during the live stream a couple days ago. All right. Alerted my community. Long the CDW, would long again. Took the long on the 30th of March with the perfect entry. Yes, mamma mia, we give it the perfect entry. Ha ha. Here we go. We're coming back to the level. Let's see. We're starting to get a big juicy blue. Big juicy blue. Let's see if we can't make another higher high. Let's see if we can't get a push. We want to get a little bit of a push, baby. That's what we want. We want to get a little bit of a push. We want to reclaim that beautiful level right there. All right. We got to give a major shout out to Isaac Newton. He says, Jesus has risen. Thank you, Lord. Amen, bro. Amen. Amen. If you celebrate the resurrection of the Messiah today, God bless you. God bless you. Why did you post a short in the crew? Because I shorted it too. The short in the crew that got stopped out. Because I shorted it too, man. Look, I'm just being... It's the realist, right? I took a short as well in the crew just today, and I took a loss right here. You know? It is what it is, bro. You're going to take wins, you're going to take losses. I also posted the long in the crew. That's up right now 20 grand. Okay? Also posted the short from the top from 74K. Right? Told everyone I've opened up a short right around 74-ish K. Right? So I'm that's the thing. I'm just walking everyone through exactly what I'm doing. And it's up to you whether or not to follow. Again, it's not a signals group because you could trade. You could take all the same trades as I do. I might make money. You might not. You might make money. I might not. When do you take profit? What other positions do you have open? What's your risk management like? All this kind of stuff, right? It's an educational confluence group, baby. Here we go. Here we go. We're prepare for launch. Prepare for liftoff, guys. All right? This pump is about to be as real as any pump we've ever seen before. Has Bitcoin bottomed? I honestly don't think so. I don't think so. I hope that Bitcoin has not bottomed yet. My honest hope is that we make a few more lows, right? Excuse me. My honest hope is that we make a few more lows. I would love to take out 50K. I would love to take out 40K. Is there a chance Bitcoin's bottomed out here? Yeah. There's always a chance. There's always a chance. I hope it hasn't. Okay, right now the Bitcoin price is coming into none other than the Fibonacci Golden Pocket 786. All right, let's check out what's happening right now with the... Let's check out what's happening right now with the order flow. All right. Check out the order flow. We're actually getting a slight bit of bullish CBD here. Nothing too crazy. Thankfully, we don't have any bearish CBD. This has been actually a healthy move to the right, upsides. Generally speaking, it's been an increase of open interest. A lot of longs opening up here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Man, it's looking not the worst. It's definitely looking not the worst. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here as we are once again, we're flirting with the DJT level. All right. Yeah, I'm telling you, there's a chance, man. What's a CDW? A chicken's drinking water pattern. Is order flow free? Yeah, it's Market Monkey Terminal. Market Monkey Terminal. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's totally free. We flipped the previous day high into support, baby. Let's go. We're up 22K right now. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're up 22K. Can you believe it? 22K. Can you believe it? Yeah. This ish is a fake out, says Teresa Young. All right, let it fake out. I've already told you. I've gone through everything. I've gone through the fact that I'm short from here. I've opened up a short from here. I've shown the short. I'm short. I've showed you guys my trade history on BLOFIN, where I'm shorting right now. I've taken a loss today, put $250,000 in trade, put $500,000 on this trade here. Okay, I've closed out a portion of it. I'm a $350,000 short. All right, my stop loss is at a break even. All right, we start to lose this line. Could be a fake out. We're coming to the purple box. This is a big make it or break it zone at the purple box. So yeah. Why don't I use exo charts anymore? Because honestly, exo charts kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. Exo charts kind of sucks. You know, I can't lie about it. EXO kind of sucks. So yeah. Guys, bear with me. I'll be right back here. All right, we back, baby. We back. Oh, wait, I forgot my weighted vest. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Back, baby. We back. We back. Can you use Market Monkey on your phone? I never have. I never have. All right, we're up 21.8K. 21.8, baby. Let's see what's going to happen here. Hey, Jay, why do you use... Extra chart sucks. It sucks. I'm sorry, man. It used to be good, but now it really sucks. Like, every time I go on there, it's missing data. It's glitching out. This and that, you know? That was a fire beat. What beat was it? This one? I'm not the biggest fan of it, to be honest. There's some good beats here, guys. Classic boom bap instrumentals. Nostalgic beats. What was he called? I don't know, man, but this I'll post the title of the video in the chat for you where the song was called. What's the current support? Well, I mean, right now we're holding support which is right here. I'd say that this is our current support. Oh, we're below it. Whoa, 69.3 is current support. We lose it, we're coming down quite a bit lower. So this is a very key level. Look at this, the purple box is acting as our resistance right now. All right. We make a lower low here. I'm going to be taking some profits out the long trade. All right. We're going to be taking some profits out the long trade. All right. We're trying to make some money on this. I guess I like it smaller. I'm trying to mess with what's the best way for me to like keep this big or small? There we go. This is all right. All right, we're up 21,500 on the long trade, and we're up on the short trade 1,700. All right, this is a very key support resistance flip. Let's see what happens. When I trade Antarctic, I'm trading with USDT, all right? They don't do inverse perpetual yet, but they will, you know? Based on what condition have I taken the short? All right, let's talk about the short trade. Why did I take a short? I took a short from here simply because it's such a key resistance, guys. It's such a key resistance. Like, that's the only reason. This is a make it or break it level on the short, guys. Look at this, all right? We're coming up towards an area where we could get a swing failure pattern. Also, we have this liquidity right here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. All right, this is our sideways range. I'd say defined by 69.4 is the high of our range. This level, 69.4, was support on Tuesday. It was support on Friday the 20th. On Thursday the 19th, it was perfect support on Wednesday the 11th. It was resistance on the 2nd of March. It was resistance on the 25th of February. As we're breaking out of this diagonal channel, if we're going to get a fake out from here, this is where it's going to happen, right? This is going to be now a change of market structure. If we close this high above these highs, it's a change of market structure and a breakout. If we're going to get a failed swing high, aka a swing fail your pattern, where would we fail to change into bullish market structure? It'd be at this high, right? This is where it's make or break. This is where we either succeed or we fail. And so therefore, after holding the long trade since Friday the 27th of March, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 10 days, guys, I've been holding this long. 10 days I've been holding long, hoping for a swing. We made it all the way up to the POC. We got rejected all the way back down. We made it all the way back up. If I've been holding it for 10 days. If it doesn't happen now, it's not going to happen, okay? And so therefore, do I really want to not short that? No, I'd rather short it. Why? Well, let's assume the short gets wrecked. Biggity whoop doo dah hey, baby. Who cares if I lose $1,500 trying to short twice when I'm up 22,000, locked in $7,000 already? Like, who cares? I don't care. I don't care. I would much rather short this and get wrecked and make money on my long than not short it, and the long trade, I give all that crap back. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, if it fails to happen now and I give back this 22K and I'm not short, I would never forgive myself 10 years later, remember that one time, Jay, when it was that make it or break it zone, you didn't hedge yourself? You got to hedge yourself. You better protect yourself before you wreck yourself, and make sure to hedge yourself. You know? You got to protect yourself before you wreck yourself, and make sure to hedge yourself. You know? There's a whole bunch of cool beats. Man, you guys hear that beat? Yeah. Hey, yo, it's Jay Casper. We're out here, $500,000 long trade, baby. $345,000 short. You better protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Make sure to hedge yourself. Jay Casper, we're here in the garage trading Bitcoin at night. The Bears and the Bulls, baby, you know it's gonna fight. But we got the orange line, Donald J. Trump. If we lose it, don't you know we're gonna dump? DJ T comes out on Truth Social, tweeting things, it goes so loco. We expect the volatility to come in the market just this week. But we're on the treadmill, walking on our feet, coming in the live stream on fleek. We came up to the CD dub and then we get a rejection, but we come back up to the purple box. But you know we come under the Bitcoin price, better grab your plunger. Yeah, we're holding support. Don't short, you might get hurt, but you know we locking the profit. Can you spot it, baby? Right from the nice tippy top, and look at the juicy entry, driving the Bentley, coming out, eating broccoli for dentries. What is going on with the beat? Changed a little bit here. Yeah, the daily money flow looks real juicy. Honestly, do I love Brazil? Well, I will say I have one friend who's Portuguese, and I love Portuguese people. Yeah, I love Portuguese people. Yeah, I love them. Don't you know, if you're Portuguese, then baby, please come over to my house. We will eat some cheese, American Swiss, cheddar Parmesan. You know I love to get my dairy on. Yeah, I love the cheese. I like to take it and spread it on my knees, eating bagels. You know we love to eat the cream. Yeah, if you know what I mean. Jay Casper, I'm a trading machine. I give it to you dirty, never give it clean. And my favorite color's green, just like my trades, cause we keep it mean, baby. I'm so dang nice. Jay Casper in the house, trading bit cold as ice. Because I never even have to think twice. I'm out in the garage, chilling with the mice. We got the mice, we got the rats, we got the bats, we got the fats. They're coming out, their names are brats, cause they get everything that they want. Like a ghost Casper, he wants to haunt the charts. And yeah, we hold the orange line, got to come in and pump it at just the right time. $22,000 up in the profit. Jay Casper, baby, can you even spot it? About to pump and tippy top at 76K. Geo says if we spot it, you know he's the best in the world. Hold up, I gotta go whirl. We got the washing machine, it goes whirl. Put the clothes in the dryer just like my girl. We doing laundry every day. I give it to you straight, never give it gay. Yay. Yeah, I like Brazil. If you speak Portuguese. Shout out to all my Portuguese people. Advice on where to pull the volume profile from, yeah. Yeah, you can pull it from wherever you want. I know it's a cop-out answer, but wherever you think it should be pulled from. So right now, breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news, guys, we're losing the orange line again. Let's see what happens here. I love Belgian people. If you're from Belgium, is it Belgium? Yeah, the volume profile, you always want to pull it from where it makes the most sense, right? So for example, over here on BLOFIN, it makes the most sense if we're doing our macro analysis to pull it from the beginning of this sideways range. So you could look at it, this is the range here, going back from this high, which take it back to this support resistance flip, basically around 80K. Right now, you could also pull it from this low that we made down here on the 5th of February, right? Then locally, you would want to pull it from this range, right? We've been trading in this sideways range here for the past 10 days, you know? Oh my goodness, guys. Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dupe. Are we going to change structure here? That's the question, baby. You know what? What does Sam Price say right now? Is he live? What does he say? How's the 100 and the 21? Let's put on, let me see. Where's the 100 and the 21? Shout out to Crypto Lifer, all right? I'm going to check and see, what's this? Indicators. SMA. No, I don't want that. I want a simple moving average. Yeah. There we go. Put it on the 21. 21. This is Crypto Lifer's main indicators here, and it works, all right? Let's see if we have hope for a sustained move here. You want the 21 to cross over the 100? Oh, wow, it happened already. It happened already. Look, as soon as it happened, bam! Well, this is the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15-minute. I forget now what he says after that happens. Do we have to come back and test the 21? We're losing the 21 on the 3. Let's see here. Let's go to the 5-minute. We're losing it on the 5-minute. All right. Yeah, I forget if they both have to cross. Maybe we consolidate here for a little bit. If we consolidate, the moving averages catch up, right? Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Go watch Crypto Lifer to find out. But right now we're losing this level here. If we do, we could come down a bit more. Let's do some technical analysis here, baby. All right, let's do some quick TA on the low time frames. We'll go to the 5 minutes. Looks like we're trying to roll over. Let's clear off the Chisnart. We'll clear off the chart. We'll clear off the chart and do some fresh TA. Hey, yo, Jay, we'll clear off the chart, do some fresh TA. So sit back, relax, and listen to your boy Jay, who always gives it straight. You know he never gets it gay. About to do some TA analysis today. First thing we do, we take the fixed range, we click and pull it through. Make sure your candles are purple and blue. Next up, I'ma tell you what we do. Check it this. We break out, we back test the POC, then we pump. Now listen to me, about to pull another range. From last Friday, you know we made mad change, 21K. We break out the VAH. Now we come blasting into space. So we gotta pull the fib from the low to the high. Where do we begin? We'll start at the low from Thursday, the 2nd of March. You know it was a Thursday. It was so hot out, I got so sweaty. Inside the kitchen like Crocker, like Betty. Coming down to the GP, around 67K. Too low for me. So I'ma pull the fib from here. Sunday, April 5th, let me spit it in your ear. If we come down to get a back test, VAH 77, 68, that's the best. You know I only train arms and chests, because we're outside, we do it best. Getting a purple candle about to come down. Can you sniff your sandals? Do you frown? You know I can't get a handle, I'm such a clown. On the treadmill as I drive around. Man, this is a good place to come back and back test as support, let me tell you. Right around 67.8. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we have any single prints on the 30-minute. Let's see, TPO. Yes, yes. Look at this. We got the single prints on the TPO. Now sit back and relax like your name is Joe Biden. You know I can't find the time to sit back and listen to Jason Casper rhyme. I think if we come down, we can feel the single prints all around town. Fill the gap, then we get the bounce. Wreck the people who longed early, chilling on the couch. Yeah, I say I like that level. Bitcoin got all bass and no treble. You know we up now, let's check the profits. Hey yo Jay, can you spot it? We were up 22, now only 19. It's okay, we took the short, you know what I mean. But hey, you know I'll have to take some profit if we switch market structure. Can you spot it? Okay, yeah. So honestly guys, we're losing that orange level. And I say we have to watch and see what happens here. We have single prints around 68.4 and around 67.8. So if this pump is going to continue, we have to either hold right here or we have to hold right here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and change these to SPs filled. SPs filled. SPs filled, SPs filled. Yeah, I don't like how fast we came up there. It makes me think we could come down just as quick. So I'm looking at this in one of two ways. We've obviously got some liquidity right here. This is a 10-minute time frame. We have a liquidity grab right here, 68,672, right? We'll go ahead and put this CDW. We have a fair value gap on the 10-minute that will be filled right here. Fair value gap will be filled at 68,556. And then we have the single prints right here. So option number one for the bounce is simply we just do this. And we start to form a little bit of a bull flag in this area right here. This is our potential bull flag range forming here, okay? Step number two, actually, we come and we feel all this. We come down, we feel all this, right? And we're talking about around 67.7, 67.8. And we bounce from the back test of the value area high. All right, for more upside, definitely two key levels. The one not as juicy is going to be 68.5. Fill the fair value gap, fill the single prints. Second one, down here at 67.9-ish, the golden pocket of the day, daily low, value area high back test. Right, you guys see how important that is? So let's watch and wait and see. Let's come back to the short trade. Up right now, almost 3 grand. All right, if you're scalping this, we've just changed market structure here on the 1 minute. This is a 5 minute, but this is our first lower low that we've made really since this beginning of the move, right? This was a fake out. We made a lower low, bam. So now we're starting to make a lower low here locally. We've rejected also from the local Fibonacci golden pocket, lower high, lower low. All right. So I'd say, again, my next targets, I'm going to put on our 10-minute chart here. Custom interval. Here, let's put a custom. 10. Is that custom? Is 10 minutes custom, BLOFIN? I love BLOFIN, though. Look, I'm wearing a BLOFIN hoodie right now. I know you can't tell. I got a BLOFIN hoodie on right now, baby. We're looking at this for our potential range to form here now. We're going to change the DJT line. All right. We've also got our 10-minute 21 moving average right there as well, and we have the single prints filled. This is going to be the first place we look for holding support. Let's see if we hold support here, guys. All right, support box number 1, right down here. All right, let's see what happens. In the momente, we're up $3,200. All right, let's see what happens here. What is your job description? Oh man, I show people strange pictures of myself and they ask me what I do. When people ask what I do, I show strange pictures of myself. TradingView TPO, okay, I like it. I love the TradingView TPO. I usually tell people I'm a professional rapper. You know, funding rates are too negative for any sustained dump. Funding rates are always negative though. You know, 200K incoming. Let's see what happens here. Doesn't this make this more of a fake pump as well because it's Sunday? Well, it happened. Didn't it happen right on weekly open, right on daily open, right? Happened right on weekly and daily open. So I can't say for certain, right? But last Sunday we also got the low, right? This happened on a Sunday. Let's not forget. Let's not forget about this. This happened right here, April 2nd. Wasn't that a Sunday? No, it was a Thursday. Okay, sorry guys, I'm all messed up because of the holidays. Let's see here. Oh wait, no. What am I thinking of? I'm thinking of this. 29th of March. What was the 29th of March? Is that a Sunday? Yeah, it was a Sunday. So we've been putting in significant. This was on a Sunday down here, guys. That low was on a Sunday. Let's not forget. Sunday, not a Monday, not a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If we want to compound on a long from 66K, any suggestions? Well, I'd be very cautious right now, simply because this range here has already gotten a rotation from the bottom to the top to the bottom to the top. So the only place I would be interested in, I'd say, is I guess I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's assume that we do bounce from the back test of 67.7. 67.7, where it's going to have to be. 67.7 is where it would have to be, man. Otherwise, we're coming all the way back down to the bottom of the range below the entry. You know? Thank you so much for the super chat, by the way. Do you really want to compound longs in the bear market? Yeah, of course you do. I've been compounding this stupid long I've been in this whole time. You know? And I might be taking some profits on it depending on what happens here. But yeah, I've been compounding it. Is there a CME gap? That's a great question. Let's check that out right now. Yeah, there's a little CME gap that will be closed 67,180. Let's go ahead and pull the fib from this last low. Pull the fib from Thursday the 2nd to the current high. Wow, that CME gap, guys, will be filled right in the golden pocket. 67,000. So then maybe, honestly, a filling of this gap, maybe we would want a little bit lower, 67K on the dot, you know? Shouts to the super chat. Trump saw the super chat? Oh, you're talking about Donald Trump? Yeah, he saw the super chat. I know he saw it. I don't know if you guys have been following me on Twitter, or you should, but, you know, 100% proof that Trump saw the super chat is right here on Twitter. Right here. All right? I don't know if you heard. He called me when I was live. He called me when I was live. You guys were here for it, right? Can you tell everybody?
Hello, Jason. This is your favorite president, Donald John Trump. How are you?
Trump, I'm doing good, man. Listen, can you tell everybody? Tell them the truth, because I'm getting a lot of heat right now.
Well, to be honest, Jason, I just wanted to say thank you for the $200 super chat during my speech where you asked me to say Bitcoin. I know I didn't say it, but I saw the super chat. I just wanted to say thank you, and don't let the haters get to you, Jason.
Thank you, Trump. I feel vindicated having you call me like this, bro.
Anytime.
Yeah.
I gotta say, I love our little fireside chats we have sometimes. You're quite a guy, Jason. Quite a guy.
Thank you, Trump. I feel the same way about you, man. But I do want to know, like, why didn't you say it? If you saw the super chat right there on the live chat, why didn't you say it?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Why didn't you say Bitcoin?
Well, it's just like, excuse me, it's like this, Jason, it's like this. I have a lot of things going on right now, and frankly, I don't have time to respond to everybody. I do the best job that I can, and you know, it is what it is, but I really appreciate the work that you do, and we just wanted to say thank you for it.
Thank you, Trump. I appreciate it. I know what it's like. I'm a streamer myself, so I don't get to see everybody in the chat, but
I don't know. It looks like your followers are are dwindling, but I don't know what to say about that, but it is what it is. We can't all be winners, and unfortunately, it doesn't look like you're in the winning class, but you're a really great guy. Let me tell you, what a guy.
Thank you, Trump. God bless you, man. And
God bless you. Happy Easter. Happy Passover to you. And we love you. We love you, Jason.
We love you too, Trump. Keep it orange. Keep it orange. I'll talk to you later. Need I say more? Need I say more? All right, what is a CME gap and what is the significance? Okay, a CME gap is the CME market trades Monday through Friday. It closes on Friday. The Bitcoin market trades over the weekend, which means Bitcoin can open up right here Sunday evening, which it did, at the price of 67.7 after we closed Friday at 67, right? So it leaves a gap in the chart right here. It leaves a gap in the candles. The significance is a lot of times we come and fill the gap before getting a bounceroni and cheese. That's the significance. So 67, that's where we could retrace to. That's going to be, yeah, maybe I would look to compound the trade at 67. Okay, so guess what, guys? I am going to take a little profit out right now. All right, let's see if our order gets filled. Come on, order. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, fill it. Fill it, baby. Come on, fill it. Come on, fill it. Fill it up. Fill it. Come on, fill it up. Regular unleaded. Fill her on up. Fill her on up, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Fill the order. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Fill the order. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Fill the order. Come on. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, fill the order. Yes! Yeah! Oh, man, it feels so good to take profits. All right, so we're up almost 12K. Let's see what happens here. You know, we've got this other trade open here, the short. I'm also going to hit a TP at on this short 67.8. I'll hold it until tomorrow. You know what? I'm just going to hold it open and see what happens. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'll assess the situation. It's a totally risk-free trade right now. You know? Yeah, they could take weeks or months to fill. But it's a nice it's a nice level this time, right? It's a very nice confluence this time. This time around. This time around. When the world stops shaking and my mind stops shaking this time. Yeah, we'll hit a TP down there if we come down there, all right? How about that? How about that? Yeah. How about that? How about that? How about that? Hey, yo, Jay, they asked me, how about that? Taking profits, we come, then we go flat right into the orange on the roof. Jay Casper on the treadmill, your boy ain't no spoof. They say, give me evidence, I got the proof. Next thing I know, I'm eating cereal with spoons. We pour it in the bowl, then we put the milk. We dip in the spoon, we don't ask for help. From the spoon to the bowl, to the mouth, to the lips. Don't you know, I love to give a kiss to the cereal. On my spoon, Jay Casper on the treadmill, such a baboon. Yeah, I got the glasses on my face. Jason Casper coming out, he's running on the race. He got the treadmill, he got that look on his face. He's taking profits all over the place. You know we long the bottom and we short the top. Jay Casper taking trades, your boy just don't stop. And if you know what I mean, you can see my mustache that I'm a trading machine. I keep it mad dirty, baby, you know I never clean. Jason Casper trades only in the green. We got the sombrero on the head, cause my trades are never in the red. Big shout to R Pink in the chat, this time will be different. He said that, cause you know famous last words. On the street trading Bitcoin, ain't you heard, my man? With the super chat, a big shout out. How do you align the CME with your trading cloud? It depends, you could do it on the CME or buy bits, but between you and me, what I'd like to do is go to the CAM2. I'd like to see where it is. In this case, about 67.175%. Then I go back to Bybit, but first I set an alert just to spy it. At 67.185, you click the button, add alert just to stay alive. Then you go back to Bybit, you put a little mark on the chart, like a work of art. Just so you know you got that confluence, baby. Now listen to my crypto flow. There's also an indicator here, so sit back and let me spit it right into your ear. The CME Gap BTC. This is my favorite trading indicator. Indicate means indicator. Shout out to all the haters. Put it on your chart. You could see that later. It gives you a little area. Hopefully you don't end up with malaria. And I don't mean to scare ya, but if you could see, we come down and we fill the gap on the CME. You could even set an alert right here on Bybit. Now Jay Casper, listen my dear. Yeah, that's how you get the CME gap. Let's see what happens here. Did I just short? Yes, I've been short since the beginning of the stream. Is the first thing I said. The second thing, actually. All right, we just took a TP on the long. Lock it in. Over 11,000 US dollars. All right, we still got $432,000 on the trade, baby. We've got $345,000 on the short. We're going to hit a TP on the short at the price of exactly 67,824 and 0 cents. All right. Yeah. Shout out to all the Gap lovers in here. I do all my shopping at the Gap. All right. Yeah, so this is some interesting stuff right now. Can you guys believe the time? I can't even believe the time, honestly. It's 9 o'clock, 9:22. Man, I was going to wake up early tomorrow, do some scalping, baby. I was going to do some scalping early tomorrow. You know? Let's see. I like this beat. I love these beats. I hope they're royalty free. I might get smacked with the copyright, you know? I get smacked with that copyright. You shorted, you shorted, you shorted. Okay. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe, click the bell. God bless you all. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace!